Welcome, everyone. We are the Evergreen State College, located in Olympia, Washington. For geographic reference, we're just south of Seattle and north of Portland, Oregon. Currently, most of our administration is working remotely, and most of our courses are being offered remotely as well. A select few are being offered as a hybrid, and that is clear in our course catalog online. Here's a quick academic overview of Evergreen. Students do not declare a major at Evergreen. Their transcripts will reflect areas of emphasis. Most of our courses are full-time, team-taught, interdisciplinary programs. Students do not earn letter grades. Instead, they will receive narrative evaluations. We have 11 paths of study that students can follow should they choose. Students have the freedom and flexibility to create their own paths. Students and counselors can register on our webpage for daily virtual Evergreen information sessions, periodic ambassador chats, monthly preview days, and application workshops. Students can apply using the common application or our application on our website. The priority deadline for applications will be December 1st. Students can choose to be considered test optional. The student will have to supplement their application with an essay. Also, to respond to the economic crisis resulting from COVID-19, application fees are waived for the time being. Evergreen has a very diverse academic community. With that, we have a number of resources and support centers to support our students. We have the first year experience, content integrated into first year student courses, mental health counseling as part of the Student Wellness Center. We have support centers for First Peoples, multicultural students, and trans and queer students. Students are assigned academic advisors to help choose courses. Our TRIO Student Support Services grant was just renewed. To support veterans and their families, we have our Veterans Resource Center. This next slide takes a look at financial aid and scholarships. Tuition and fees are approximately $8,350 per year. Student merit awards range from $900 to $1,200. The average financial aid award is $10,274. We have over 100 foundation scholarships that range from $300 to $6,000. Students complete a separate application for scholarships. That process is open from November 1st to February 1st. We have counselors in all regions of Washington and the continental United States. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to one of our regional representatives at any time. You can also contact us at admissions@evergreen.edu or call us at 360-867-6170. We look forward to seeing you soon.